My fans, special welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today is soup day. I am making soup. I have to thank all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the family of KCL. I am cooking beef soup today with some natural organic pum yam. They call it with like my carrots, pumpkin, various stuff in it, all natural, organic, green onions, my natural season like the pimento, the garlic, the scotch bonnet pepper. Cooking outdoor with love, Big up all of my favorite fans, them I soon call your names. Natural green onion, scallion, my rosemary, I cook with my rosemary, in my soup. The good scotch bonnet pepper, my fans. Fresh. And this lovely day, I have to big up some super special fan, the wonderful sister, Katichin, Cecile, Myla, and some more beautiful ladies that watch my channel and comment, like Andrea too. Big up my brother, Stamina Dan, Although it's not my real brother, I've never even seen none of those people what have called their name, but them believe in my channel and they have good mind toward my channel. Also big up Stone Breeze in Ghana. Big up Kiprich Belde in Gambia. Captain Frenchman out of it's Ghana or one of them places. Sometimes there are so much different places in Africa. It could be Ghana. We got my virgin Lenny Bantan, big DJ out of UK.
Health to wealth. Now take care of them health to health. If you not take care of your health to health, oh, you fi enjoy it. Hey yo, this is original Lenny Bantan endorsing Kojak country lifestyle. Because a natural medicine, natural vibe, natural herb, natural food, natural everything. So Lenny Bantan endorse thing and say up and running.
Thank you, my brother. I'll soon show you my fans here. Soon show you inside of the pot. Just continue to watch the video and listen.
Rasa representing a Kojak country lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah. Oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in.